In this video, I'm about to show you how to unsubscribe to Memrise. You can keep track of your subscription by locating your settings page on your profile and selecting the account tab, which will display the expiry date of your subscription. You may cancel your subscription at any time by locating your settings page on your profile, selecting the account tab, and selecting cancel plan. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee where we provide you with a full refund if you are not satisfied with our services and if you've selected a quarterly or annual plan. To be eligible to receive the refund, you must contact them within 30 days from the date you activated your quarterly plan or annual plan. If you do not contact us within this 30-day period, you will not be eligible for a refund. They will not be able to refund you if you have paid the fees using any third-party scripts or products that anonymize personal payment details, including but not limited to Apple App Store payments. In this instance, you will need to contact the relevant third party directly. If you have selected the monthly plan, you are not eligible for a refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. You'll also have a legal right to change your mind without giving a reason and cancel your subscription within 14 days of the date you activated your plan to receive a refund. If you want to cancel your subscription within this 14-day period, you can do so via the Contact Us page. Note that the refund options stated above do not apply to renewals. Also, they do not offer refunds or partial refunds outside of the refund options stated above. Any refund requested will result in payment being made into the account you used to pay the fees within 14 days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.